So this is going to be the connection if you want to have your light at the back of your truck. So for the Ford F-150 2021, white connects to purple. The white one connects to the purple, and that is for the running light. Then the yellow connect to that's orange and white from the brake light, and then the red, you can see the red, you connect the red to the green and brown, and then the blue, which is the ground, connect to the black and yellow. See the black and yellow. The red is the brake right there, the brake light, green and brown. White running light connects to the purple, and this is for the 2021 Ford F-150. On the other side you have the right signal. The right turn signal would be on what wire is it? For the right turn signal, it's connected to, trying to find it. So the right turn signal would connect to that green and orange, I think. Yeah, green and orange. That's what it would connect to. And this is for the 2021 Ford F-150. Yep. There it is. It's working.